How enablement teams can level up with virtual IT labs. Enablement teams have a big task: onboarding new hires, empowering partners, and helping customers use your product to its full potential. But traditional training methods often fall short on engagement, scalability, and real-world impact. That's where virtual IT labs step in, a hands-on, interactive solution to transform your training efforts. What are virtual IT labs? Think of virtual IT labs as a digital playground where users can safely test tools, processes, and workflows. These online replicas of IT environments provide hands-on experiences that improve retention by up to 75% compared to passive learning. Thus, OfficeDynamics.com. Whether it's for onboarding, customer enablement, or sales demos, virtual labs make training practical and engaging. Why virtual IT labs work for enablement teams. Scalable consistency. Train 10 or 1,000 people with the same high-quality experience across locations. Companies using virtual labs save up to 40% on logistics. Deloitte. Hands-on skill building. Learners gain confidence and expertise faster with hands-on practice, reducing onboarding time by 20%. Training industry. Actionable insights. Track user performance to identify skill gaps and tailor follow-ups, improving learner outcomes by 30%. McKinsey. Flexible learning. Virtual labs let learners train on their own schedules, increasing satisfaction by 18%. LinkedIn Learning. Practical use cases. Onboarding new hires. Give employees hands-on practice from day one, accelerating their ramp-up time. Partner certification. Virtual labs make certification programs scalable and effective, increasing partner readiness by 30%. Emerald.com. Customer enablement. Let customers explore advanced features in a low-risk environment, boosting adoption rates by 25%. E-learning industry. Sales demos. Replace boring slide decks with live interactive demos to increase conversion rates by 30%. Gartner. Case study, Oli Systems. Oli Systems, a leader in electrolyte chemistry simulation software, used ReadyTech's virtual IT labs to tackle their training challenges. Employee onboarding, new hires gained hands-on experience, reducing ramp-up time. Partner certification. Partners completed scalable certification programs, lowering support needs. Customer enablement. Customers explored features in a controlled setting, increasing adoption and satisfaction. The result? Scalable, engaging training for employees, partners, and customers alike. How ReadyTech can help. ReadyTech offers tailored virtual IT labs designed to meet your enablement needs. Custom solutions. Create labs for onboarding, certification, or customer training. Real-time insights. Track learner performance to improve outcomes. Seamless integration. Plug into your LMS or CRM for streamlined data tracking. Scalable design. Train small or large groups with consistent quality. Ongoing support. Get continuous updates and expert guidance. Let's build something great. Virtual IT labs are more than just a training tool. They're a game changer for enablement teams. Ready to take your strategy to the next level? Contact ReadyTech today and discover how virtual IT labs can make your training more effective, scalable, and impactful.